how to turn on or turn off GBoard auto correction on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on GBoard Settings in here, or you can go into Keyboard and tap on GBoard. Next, tap on Corrections and Suggestions. From here at the top, you want to tap on Auto Correction. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Auto Corrections, and this will allow you to correct words while typing. So if you tap on the left panel, there is also an option called Undo Autocorrect on backspace. So if you want to undo your auto corrections, you can just tap on the backspace to undo it. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.